galing pa kayo ng Thailand.
Thailand, yes.
You came all the way here to support the Philippines.
Yes, I always since 2003 in Vietnam.
So, isang mabilis naman na cheer nyo for Philippines.
Pilipinas, laban!
Laban!
Asian Games is the biggest sporting events not only in Asia but in the world. Also, it is the most important multi-sporting competition in Asian countries. Being a sport enthusiast, I had a chance to witness this big event to cheer and support our Philippine athletes, especially in volleyball. It was an overwhelming experience along with the group of Filipinos in the safe crowd. Our voices may not be so loud. It was overlapped with the loud cheer of the host country. And yet, it will be an inspiration to the Philippine athletes that were there for them. Sharing my 90th Asian Games experience in Hangzhou, China in 2023 will inspire more sports enthusiasts to support our athletes. Just like our Bayanihan culture that bring us into one on bigger stage. The 12-man roster of Philippine men's volleyball team led by the team captain and main setter Vince Mangulabnan, power hitters Brian Bagunas and Mark Espejo, Phil Arms Reinka and Steven Ruta, Kim Malabuma, Lloyd Josaphat, Rex Intal, Adrian Villados, Vince Lorenzo, Chu Njika. The 20th Asian Games will be held in Aichi Prefecture in Nagoya, Japan. It will be on September 19 to October 4, 2026. See you there!